Yeah.
Alright, so let's start. What did I get today? It was another Instagram product. I can't help myself clearly. So I saw this one on an ad again and it looks super cool. I'm really into technology lately, I'm not sure why, but I purchased it. It's basically these set of lights, all conjoined by this one tube, and you set it up on your ceiling. And apparently it like connects to an app that can then change the colors. I just want to see if it works or not basically, so let's give it a go. Okay, so let's go through the products. First thing in this package, we have what they call an international adapter. I don't know if we need one of these. Yeah, let's see. Secondly, in this package, we've got, okay, there's like this fly that's like hanging around right now, and like I have this fucking fly swat. I just want to hit it. Like, this fly has been annoying me all day. Anyway, in this mysterious package. So let's open this bad boy up, shall we? It doesn't really. Oh. Okay, that was pretty. Okay, this is pretty cool. What else do we have in this little package? We have, oh, this is adorable. Okay, so we've got a cute little remote, 2 pieces of something, and we have a plug-in power thing, which I'm assuming connects with the adapter. Yeah. That's everything in the package. We've ended up with a PowerPoint adapter, random white thing to LED light. We have a connection of a connection of a connection to another connection. So I'm gonna try set it up and let's see if it works. Alright guys, moment of truth. Ooh. Damn. Guys, this fly won't leave me f***ing alone. It's like right f***ing there. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Hey guys, if you don't like dead animals, dead insects, whatever the f*** this thing is, look away, mate. Yeah guys, after like some investigation, I actually just realized it's like a fucking like war zone over here. Like there's like at least 3 dead corpses. I'll show you guys, this is like fucked up. Okay, so first we have Joe Harvey. He was a great moth, lived a full life, but unfortunately got himself stuck inside Sorensen's home, and things went a bit sour, and well, here he is now. Secondly, we've got Joe, a very noisy fly. He didn't have such a good life. I think he was just minding his own buzzy business and kind of just got whacked, and at least it was a quick death for Bill or Bob. I forgot what they called that guy. Oh, God bless his soul. And here's Steve the spider. Do you have any final dying words? No, Steve? Oh, okay, yes. Stevie's did. And that's it, folks.